Right. I have both cameras running. The DJI Action4 as well as the Pocket 3. And we are using both here in the front window of the vehicle. And we want to see how sound at one works and also the balancing thing. So this Tesla 3 I have here is a very bumpy vehicle. It's really, really bumpy. And I'm not sure what this guy is doing here. What his problem is, where he wants to go. The bumpiness of this car is crazy. What is he doing? Can I drive away here? You think he's backing up into this road? I'm not sure. It's a residential road. Why would you drive with a semi in that residential road? Sure. Alright, so as I said, a bumpy car. We have here a relatively smooth road. It's not this bumpy, but maybe we can drive here into one of those subdivisions to the right. Here to the right, like the Sky Drive it's called. We're going to drive there and see how it bumps. We're taking a right. Yeah. There we go. And then we have like this concrete thing here. There we will see those concrete things are always bumpy. And does the bumpiness transfer over to our video? That is the big question. And of course, the good part about the Pocket 3 is that we can turn the camera around and we can look at the driver if we need to, if that is a necessary thing. So oftentimes you want to show what's happening in the cabin. Here, let's take a ride. Look at this, how this road is so bumpy. Like an old asphalt, right? With tree roots breaking this up. Okay. There we go. Yeah, it gives us a second to switch the camera around and we enable the face track, right? So means the camera is following my face left and right, so it will move with us. That gives a much more stable image because the camera is stabilizing on the face no matter what happens in the back. Let's see all those holes here. Okay, so I do think that this is good enough for my test here. Video footage, enough footage for this test with the bumpiness and the wide angle here. Yeah, let's switch back to the front. I don't know where the camera is focusing. I have it on single focus. The problem with the Pocket is that it does change focus when you drive, and oftentimes it just focuses on the windshield. If there is a water drop on the windshield, it focuses on that, or rain, and you don't have the view ahead of the vehicle. That's very annoying with the Pocket when you have that situation, and that's better with the Pocket 4. Because, not Pocket 4, the Action4, right? The Action4 doesn't focus. It's like fixed focus. Always has the same. And, therefore, there's no change no matter where you drive, right? The Pocket 3 just has a better image quality and it is a through and through better camera for many things, I tell you. south field. That's where this is here. Okay, so thanks for watching, and maybe I see you in the next video about the Osmo Pocket 3 and the Osmo Action4.